Hi, today we are going to learn about how to track a button. Okay, for example, this is your website and uh, this button. If someone click on this button, how to track them? Okay, it's actually important for e-commerce site, lead gen site, and everyone. So first of all, we have to enable all the built-in variables click related. Okay, I have enabled them. Okay, now go to the trigger section. Create a new and just name the trigger. Okay, GA4 okay, just save. Go to the preview section. It's connecting. Yeah, it's connecting. Yeah, it's connected. Okay, so this is a button, text on shop now. I'm clicking on this shop now button and it's click event. Check the variable. Yeah, click text shop now. Okay, click URL. This is my website URL. This is click ID null. For my cases, in your cases, if you have the click ID, you can track this button through the click ID. Now I am showing the through the click text. Okay, so copy the text shop now and go to the trigger section again. Okay, now we are going to the trigger section specifically. Just some click contains click text shop now. It's you can use the content or equal. Okay, save. Now go to the tag section, create a new tag. It's for GA4. So GA4 measurement ID, measurement ID. Okay, just trigger button click trigger and name the tag. Okay, save and preview again for the check. Okay, now it's connecting. Yeah, it's connecting. Needs some time. It's connecting due to the internet issue. Okay, it's connected. So now click on the shop now button. Okay, I'm click on the shop now button. Okay, yeah, button click tag fire. If I click again, yeah, again click, and yeah, it's 2 times fire. Thank you.